Welcome to Workiva Amplify EMEA.
Whether you're joining us here or from behind your computer.
I'm here to learn more about the different functionalities that Workiva has.
I'm attending because I wanted to see the statutory reporting.
We are committed to the region.
Companies are having to go out there. They need somehow to get the expertise.
Now, governance is absolutely fundamental.
I love the two sections where you have an audience and you're listening to a presentation versus also the small stations where you actually can get more information.
We're going to be talking about new, innovative, fit-for-purpose capabilities.
All right.
We have amazing, I think, information. The panelists are very, very good. So it's very good to be in that kind of environment.
Finance professionals, wherever they are in the world, should really understand some of these mega trends.
ESG doesn't equal making the world a better place.
For me, the biggest thing to have here is the social interaction and meet people.
I had some discussions over breakfast this morning, and I've already gone away with some ideas.
So it's a wonderful place to learn a lot, to meet new people from Workiva and from your clients and partners.